Hey guys, so welcome back to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to use auto dubbing on YouTube. So guys, in order for you to access that feature, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to your profile on the top right corner of the screen. Now here on your profile, just simply go to your YouTube studio. Now guys, once you are here on your YouTube studio, what you could try to do is just simply go through the settings over here down below on the left side of the screen. And now from here, go to the upload defaults. And after that, you should be able to see here advanced settings. So now from here on the advanced settings, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here automatic dubbing. So guys, make sure to allow automatic dubbing over here. And from here, you could also manually review dubs before publishing. So when you go to this one, you will review dubs in all languages. But if you don't want that and only want to review the dubs in experimental languages, you just simply turn this on. And after that, just make sure to select save over here, guys. Once you are done making changes in order for you to apply changes. And once you have turned this on, after that, you should be able to have automatic dubbing for your new upload. So I will have here this video as an example. So just simply select details over here on a specific video. And from here, you should be able to see here languages on the left side. So guys, as of now, I don't have a lot of languages over here. But if you do, you should be able to see here all of the translation that you have on a specific video, and you should be able to access it over here and review them. And you could also delete them if you prefer or unpublish them. So now if you go to a specific video over here, let's click on it. And from here, you could just simply select the gear icon over here, the settings, and you should be able to see here audio track once a few languages are available. But as of now, on this specific video, I don't have a languages available, so there are no audio tracks. But if you do, you should be able to see it over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.